structure of phyla. Outer structure of the phyla, its habitats as well as its structure. Three things we done in my previous lecture. Now today we will start with the internal structure of the phyla. Internal structure of the phyla. Clear? Outer shell that has apex, penultimate shell, like the structure of shell, its internal structure that also has such spirals. One is the, as I have told you, कि its body is softened one and it is always remain inside the shell. That is always remain inside the shell. That will not never come out of the body until death. But its internal structure, that is the first shell, it is smaller one, that is called the apex, like shell. It has upper one is apex, second one is whorl is called penultimate whorl, third is visceral whorl. Outer visceral, पूरा दा पूरा जिहदे विच पूरी body जिहड़ी है that is remained there. This is visceral mass. This total structure is covered by a small covering. That covering is called the mantle. In the center, just below the mantle, there is all organs are present. Like all organs means its gills, its lungs, heart, digestive system. They are all hidden in this covering that is called the mantle, which is a peculiar feature of this molluscans, mantle cavity. This is called just below the space which is present. जिस तरह ये दीवार है, ये अंदर जड़ा space है, that is called mantle cavity. In next diagram, I will draw it. This is clear to everyone? This all structure is hidden in the shell. This structure, which I have in my earlier lecture told you, there is head and foot that we can see in the living one. When it moves, head and foot is come out of the shell. ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪਕੜ ਲੇਗਾ, ਫਟਾਫਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੇ ਹੈਡ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ, ਸ਼ੈਲ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ। So there is present this head portion and just below that is foot portion. This is written here. Head and foot is, you can see here. This head portion means this is the head portion, like our head. Head means total this structure, not only mouth. This it जिस तरह अपना head plus forehead plus this eyes, nose, mouth. It also has mouth in center. This pore-like structure, which is called mouth. You can see this mouth. There is mouth. Clear? Around the mouth, there are present two lobe-like structures, flagella-like structures. These two flagella-like structures, this is first, this is called name this. This is called the first tentacles, first pair of tentacles, these two. Pair because it has two tentacles, so these are called pair. First pair of tentacles. And just after that there are present two large tentacles, one on either side. It is again a in pair, means two, one on one side, left side, another is on the right side. They are called the second pair of tentacles. Just after that there are present these structures. There are two lobe-like structures. At the tip of that, at the tip of these, there are present at the tip of these small lobes, extended parts, these are called the eyes. One pair of eyes. These all structures like our eyes, this is mouth, this is cheeks, and then is eyes. Like that there is present two eyes. After that there are present, this is right pseudopodium, extended portion, then is left pseudopodium. Around this, above this, there is present one nuchal lobes. Nuchal lobes. From these nuchal lobes, from this nuchal lobe, there enter the air as well as water. There are present the flap-like structures. In next diagram that will more clear. There are present two flap-like structures. These are called the nuchal lobes. These first earlier these were this is like this, then they become folded और एक ही बन जाएगी यदि lobe-like structure. That is the nuchal lobe. Left side वाली left nuchal lobe, right side वाली right nuchal lobe. कादे वास्ते है? कादे वास्ते में बोल लिया? For the entering of the water and air for the respiration, because they have amphibious behavior. Amphibious means they can live in water as well as air. Dual type of respiration is there. पानी वाली भी, aquatic भी, ते aerial respiration is also there. Just below there is present one folded structure, flap-like structure. This structure is like this, triangular structure, little bit. It is where it is jointed at that time. This is its outer part. Outer part means जिथे ते चलदा वा, और this is its attached part. This is its attachment part और this is its moving part. अब आप पढ़े सी कल जेड़ा हौली हौली चलदा उन्हों की कहने आ snail speed, है ना? That term is always with snails. क्योंकि हौली हौली घिसट के चलदा. It moves like this. घिसट के चलदा है, very slow. Next, this is clear. ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ ਚ when we cut it ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ folded ਹੈ ठीक है when we cut from one side it is open up and we can see the visceral organs. Now this structure which I am going to draw, that is called the pallial complex. Why it is called this is a pallium complex? Because this is mental is also called pallium. This is also called pallium. ठीक है pallial complex or mental complex. Mental is the covering which cover the all visceral organs, that is called the mental. Except the mental covering, mental layer that cover the all visceral organ except head and mouth, they are visible or they come out of body through upper column, that pore is present. Clear? Now after cutting the from one side cutting of the pallium membrane, we can see this structure. Here I have already told you it has a dual type of respiration, है ना? When it is on the land, it respires with help of lungs. When it is in the water, they respires through the gills. It is clear? Gill is also there, lungs are also there. This chamber, that is called the pulmonary chamber. This side is called pulmonary chamber. This side is called bronchial chamber. Write down. This is bronchial chamber. This is pulmonary, where the lungs. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੱਟਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ it is on this side. Here it is. When it is not here, it is there only when we don't cut and dissect it. Before dissecting it is like this. This is clear. Here we can see the head portion which has mouth. Around the mouth, first pair of tentacles, or these are also called labial palp. Second name of first pair of tentacle is labial palp. Around that there is present second pair of tentacles. This is clear. Second pair of tentacles. Above that there is present two lobes, eye stalks. These are written as a eye stalk. These are called eye stalk. At the tip of this eye stalk there is present the eyes, one pair of eyes. There are two eyes like us. After that, which I have in my previous diagram I told you, there are present two fold like structures. These are called the nuchal lobes. This is on the left side left nuchal lobe, the right side right nuchal lobe. Above this nuchal lobe there is present one leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure, its structure we will study at the time of sense organs. This check the taste or nature of the water which enter through this nuchal lobe. When this nuchal lobe is, now it is like this, after that it become like this become the tube jitho pani jayega ya air enter karegi. From here the enter, because they have a ospiridium which check the nature of the water. ठीक है? After that it enter into the, where if it is a water, then this side remain separated by these structures. Here is present epidymium. epithelia, which separate the pulmonary region to the gills region या bronchial chamber region. Then this water enters into the gills, and from this right nostril lobe, after respiration, it is come out of the body. Clear? In case of air, from here the air is entered, that is goes to lungs. है ना? Sorry, this lungs, that is pulmonary chamber. After that, again this side remain separated, and from here that is come out of the body. Key air, foul air. Clear? Yes. Everything is clear. Second thing, here we take the food from this mouth. Here is present mouth तो big ਹੁੰਦਾ है, buccal cavity. Then esophagus. Then is stomach. Stomach ਇਹਦੇ ਚ cardiac stomach ਤੇ present here. Then it enter into the gill chambers. First it is in pulmonary side up to stomach. After that it enter into the this bronchial sac side, bronchial chamber side. Inner to this we can see this. There is anus, there is a rectum, this is intestine, different parts of the intestine. After this is clear, it starts from here and goes to here. It starts from pulmonary chamber side and out is through bronchial chamber. Same like that, inner to that parallel to this, there is present here vagina. It is related with reproductive inner to and parallel to this digestive system. There is present reproductive system. ठीक है? There is vagina. Above this vagina is कड़े parts होंगे हैं, ovary, then oviduct. They are found in this portion. These all structures they are found in this structure. कड़ी ovary, oviduct, uterus, vagina, the female genital, or in case of male, testis, vas deferens, then vas deferens, then spermate, seminal vesicles, then male genital pore, and there is around male genital pore there is present the penis. ठीक है? These all structure when it is closed, then all these structures they are present in the shell portion. I think these pallial complex, this is a very important because this is the exclusively present in case of molluscans. So it is a different from all. Sometimes its only diagram can come into the your exams. So please draw the diagram of the pallial complex. Draw the diagram of the pallial complex. Okay, this is now today we will start. Next is locomotion. Locomotion is with help of foot. That is with help of foot, which is present just behind this head portion, and that foot is like this. That is narrow here and broad attached portion. This foot moves forward by a creeping type of locomotion is there. Thank you very much.